dear students, my lovely welcome to Gurudeva Ilani class. Dear students, I hope that everyone are fine in your home. Very good. So already, as you know that we have completed the first semester syllabus, right? Already you have written the exam also. So today onwards, we are going to start the second semester syllabus. Dear children, now you can watch the second semester textbook on the screen. So this is the second semester textbook. And you can watch the index page. Okay. So this is the index page. Now you can see the English. So what are the contents they have given in the English subject? Just I will tell you. Okay. Now you can open your textbook and you can see that. Dear students, if you did not purchase, you can purchase today onwards. Okay. And here is the contents. Here they have given English, mathematics, environmental studies and the general knowledge, right? So they have given the fourth subject here. Okay. So now I am going to tell you about the English subject. Because already you know that, right? See here, English, first concept. You know what is that? Beware of man. Second one, the brave jackal. Third one, counting the camels. Fourth one, how doth the little crocodile. Fifth one, what's the magic word? Sixth one, the swing. Seventh one, the fisherman's flute. Eighth one, A-E-I-O-U. Dear children, these are the concepts they have given in your second semester textbook. Okay. So today onwards, we are going to start the second semester syllabus. Fine. Dear children, so before start the class, just I would like to tell you about something. Okay. You know animals, right? So which are the animals have you seen in the world? So, animals has different types, right? Forest animals and the pet animals. So, domestic animals, we are calling that. And wild animals also. Wild animals means which are the animals are living in the forest. Domestic animals means which are the animals lives in the home. Okay. So, there is an animal. Just I will give you a clue. You can say the answer. Okay. There is an animal. Okay. It is looking like a cat. It has a stripes. Yellow and black. You know, can you guess that which animal is that? Yes, that is the tiger. Okay. So, dear children, in your second semester textbook, there is a first concept that is related to the tiger. You know what is that? Beware of the man. Okay. So, now you can see the content page, English subject. First one, beware of man. You know what is the page number? 9. So, dear children, now you can open the page number 9. See, now you can watch the page. Okay. So here is the first concept, that is beware of man. So in this concept, today's class we are going to learn about the interesting words and how to read that lesson. This is the beautiful story of the tiger. Okay. So dear children, everyone must open your textbook. And you can hold the pencil also. Because I am going to tell the interesting words, right? So you can underline those and you can practice well. Already you know that if you learn the interesting words, then you can read the lesson easily. Okay. So you can listen the class very well. So because already you have forgotten the modal reading, right? Wait, we give the pause, comma, full stop. Everyone must concentrate on this. Okay. So you can listen and you can try to read that lesson. Okay. Children, again welcome to the second semester online classes. So here are some interesting words from the first lesson. You know what is that? Beware of man. What is that? Beware of man. You know who is the author of this story? Look here. Paro Anand. Okay. Who is the author of this story? Paro Anand. Dear children, now you can know about him. Okay.
Dear students, she is the author Paro Anand. Paro Anand has written 18 books for children and young adults. She lives in Mussoorie, India. She sets up libraries and readers clubs in small towns and villages so that little children like you could read good story books and enjoy.
Fine, this is about the Paro Anand. Okay. So come to the interesting words. Look here. Interesting words. You know what is the first word? Look here children. B-E-W-A-R-E. Beware. So how to pronounce that? B-E-B. W-A-R-E, where? Beware. Okay, how to pronounce that? Beware. Next word, J-U-N-G-L-E. How to pronounce that? Jungle. Look here. J-U-N, Jan, G-L-E, Gal. Jungle. Jungle, jungle. Next, P-A-L-M, palm. T-R-E-E, tree. Palm tree. So how to pronounce that? Palm tree. Next one, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. So how to pronounce that word? Trunk. W-O-R-R-Y, worry. Look here, W-O-R-Y, R-Y, worry. So how to pronounce that word? Worry. Okay. Next, S-H-O-U-T, shout. So how to pronounce that word? Shout. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. See how to pronounce this word? F-R-I-G-H-T, fright. Okay. Fright. E-N-E-D-N, frightened. Okay. How to pronounce that word? Frightened. Next one, F-U-S-S, fuss. See, look here, S-I-L-L-Y, silly. See how to pronounce this? S-I-L, L-Y, silly. Okay. Next one, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. See how to pronounce that word? Okay. F-R-A-I-D, afraid. So, once again I am going to tell you all these interesting words, okay? Listen carefully. Look here. Lesson number first, beware of man. Okay? Written by Paro Anand. See, interesting words. Beware, jungle, palm tree, trunk, worry, shout, frightened, attacking, fuss, silly, afraid. Fine. Dear children, these are the interesting words from the first lesson. Okay. Now you can underline all these words in your textbook and you can practice well. Okay. So if you practice these words, then only you can read the lesson easily, right? So now come to the model reading of this lesson. Okay. So everyone must open your textbook. Open the page number 9. So dear children, everyone must look at your textbook. Okay. Because I am going to read this lesson. Where do I put the comma? Okay, where do I give the pause? So you can observe everything and you can try to read like me, okay?
Lesson number 1, Beware of Man, Paro Anand. Come to the paragraph. Long ago, a tiger family lived in a jungle. Mama tiger, Papa tiger and baby tiger lived together happily. Mama tiger told the baby tiger that one day he would be the king of the jungle. All the animals except man would fear him. Only man could kill a tiger. Man was the baby tiger's enemy. Beware of man, baby tiger said his mother. I must find man and see why should I fear him, thought baby tiger. So baby tiger went off all by himself to look for man. A rabbit came through the tall grass. Hippity skippity hop, hop, hop. Turn the page now. Baby tiger said, Stop this hop, hop, hop and see my if you can. Are you man? The rabbit stopped and said, I am not man. I am too small. Man is big and man is tall. I am a rabbit. Can't you see? A soft white ball. That's me. Turn the page now. Baby tiger walked through the trees till he saw a palm tree. He said, You are not a soft ball. So tell me if you can. Are you man? The palm tree said, I am not man. I grow in the ground. Man has legs. He moved around. I am a palm tree. Can't you see? Trunk and leaves. Yes, that's me. Turn the page now. Baby tiger walked on. He heard a sound on the trees. He looked up and saw a monkey jumping from branch to branch. Baby tiger said, You don't grow in the ground. You are moving around. So tell me if you can. Are you man? The monkey said, I am not man. I am a airy one. Man has no air and tail has none. I am a monkey, can't you see? With a hair and tail? Yes, that's me. Ho, said baby tiger. I'm so tired of looking for man. Don't worry, I will help you, said the monkey. So they went on together. Suddenly they saw a funny looking animal. He was big and tall. He moved around. He was not airy and he did not have a tail. The monkey said, "Here's man." Baby tiger and the monkey laughed and laughed. Man looked so funny. Then baby tiger said, "You are a airless one. Tail you have none. So tell me if you can. Are you man?" Man replied, "Yes, I am." Then he pulled out a net and threw it over baby tiger. Baby tiger was caught. "I will sell you to the zoo," said man, "and I will make a lot of money too." Turn the page. Baby tiger began to cry for his mother. Suddenly the monkey jumped onto man's back from behind. Man began to shout. He was more frightened than baby tiger. He thought baby tiger's mother was attacking him. Now you can go to the next paragraph. "Help! Help!" he cried and started to run. "Baby tiger's mother is attacking me." He ran away as fast as he could. The monkey pulled out the net of baby tiger and freed him. Then he began to laugh. Baby tiger began to laugh too. They laughed and laughed and laughed. Then they made up a song. "Beware of a man, says everyone. Oh, what a terrible fuss. Who is afraid of a silly old man? Not us, not us, not us."
Okay, dear children, this is the model reading of the first lesson. So they have given the 7 pages, right? So you can read this lesson in your home. So dear children, today's class you have learned the interesting words from the first lesson, and you have known about the author, and you have known how to read the lesson. So you can write all these interesting words in your classwork book also. You can underline also. Okay. So tomorrow's class I am going to explain about this story. So until you can read this lesson and you can keep practice on the interesting words. So have a nice day. Bye bye.